These are all the ingredients I use to make my vanilla cake, which are all vegan friendly. You need 5 ounces of flour and 5 ounces of sugar. You need 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 5 tablespoons of vegan vanilla yogurt. 5 teaspoons of soy milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now mix all together. Now you pour your batter into your tray. I grease my pan with flour and sunflower oil. After this step, you then put your batter into the oven at 180 degrees. And this is the finishing result of the vegan vanilla cake.